Good morning folks on YouTube, how's everybody? So today we are riding to Mandaragiri. The usual suspects, Ninja, KTM, Yogs and Satish on his FZ25. I thought this dude Yogs will bring his GS, badi mehengi wali BMW 850 GS, but then he wants to do the stretch on his Duke. So the plan is we'll go to Mandaragiri. There is a checkpost at the entry and they collect the parking tokens and all stuff. So if that guy allows, then we'll go behind the mountain. There's a small hill, basically, not a mountain. We'll go behind that hill and okay, let's go then. Look at the traffic. Everyone is going to Chikmagalur, it seems. Oh my god, this is outer ring road. Yeah, feels like we're in Bellandur somewhere.
जीजी को भेजो फोटो.
It looks good. अच्छा दिख रहा है. What did you order? Sandwich. What sandwich?
Big mouth. Something. Big mouth.
Tinno maga, tinno.
Yummy maga. It's a big mouth veggie something.
मेरा तभी आलू बॉईल होगा फिर आएगा आराम से. चोखा बनाने के बाद.
पहले स्टोर ने कभी तुमकुर मार्केट गए हैं.
So this is where we stopped for breakfast. Next chapter, cafe and restaurant. The place is pretty good. It's clean inside. The decor is pretty good. The food was decent enough. The only problem is the service. It took nearly 45 minutes for us to get 2 sandwiches and some bread, butter and jam. That's it, nothing else. It's on the same NH4, no deviations, nothing on the main road itself. So we are done. We'll stop for a quick tea now, and once we're done with the chai, we'll head directly to the place. We are already late. What's the time now? Damn, 9:20. It was fun with an unexpected set of twists and turns. But this place was good. We did not do anything nasty here because just wanted to keep it as untouched as it is. Now time to head back home. See ya, bro. ये खाली रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए है. Alright folks, so this beautiful ride comes to an end now. I mean, in a way it is good that the main entrance was blocked, otherwise we would not have discovered or figured out the route that we took. And this was slightly more fun-filled because there was enough space to fly the drone around. So I hope you guys liked it. I'll leave all the details about this video, about this place, in the description box, and I will leave a link to Yogs' channel as well. You can take a look at his videos. He keeps riding every now and then, going to remote places which most of us have not even seen or heard of. So yeah, let's conclude this video then, and thanks a lot for taking your time out in tuning to this video. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Until then, stay safe, ride safe, and God bless you all. Bye bye.